Hello, today I will show you how to change app size icons on your Android devices. So let's get started. Well, the settings might look different because I'm using Samsung and you might use Xiaomi or other Android devices, but anyways, all of the settings are pretty much the same. So let's dive in. So first up, open the Settings app and scroll down until you see Home Screen tab. And just right here, you can regulate the app size. Also, you have an option of enabling or disabling app labels and widget labels, and you can change home screen grid and others. Also, you can enable home and app screens and set it for home screen only. And let's also change the home screen grid for 5 to 6. And let's check how it is affected now. So as we can see, it's changed. And now you know how to change your home screen. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more tips.